How to withdraw money from PrizePicks. First things first, you have to log into your PrizePicks account and make sure that your account is verified with valid documents or ID. Then you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. That means you must need to use that payment method to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account before to use that payment method as your withdrawal method. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks app. If you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. From here, you can select request withdrawal. Then you will receive a one-time password, the OTP code, by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. They will send you an email to confirm whether your withdrawal was successful or not. You just need to go to this withdrawal page and enter the amount. Select the payment method that you want to use as your withdrawal method. You can select your card or PayPal account or Venmo account. Then you just need to enter the credentials of your PayPal account or card or your Venmo account. Then give the permissions for the withdrawal. If you have turned on any security process on PrizePicks account, then complete that, and then you can get the notification from the PrizePicks that your withdrawal is on processing, and you also can see the status on your account. That's how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.